Hi guys, throwback tayo ngayon. I-unpack natin ang Clear Basketball 1990 NBA cards. 15 cards. Okay, eto na. Para tayong babalik sa pagkabata nito. I-unpack natin ang ating 1990 Clear NBA cards. Okay, let's go. First card. Spadweb agad. Nice one. Ang rookie yata dito si Gary Payton or si Sean Kemp, parang yun yata yung mga rookies nun. Saka si Tony Kukoc. Sana may Jordan kahit pa paano. Next card. Liddell Eccles. Okay. Next card. Winston Garland. Ano ba to? Tatay ba to ni Darius Garland? Next card. Tim Hardaway. Mga daddy na mga player ngayon. Next card. Terry Catledge. Next, Sam Bowie ng Nets. Next card, Rex Chapman. Meron akong auto card nito eh. Michael Cage. Kakampi ni Gary Payton sa ni Sean Kemp. Seattle Supersonics. Next card, Tony Campbell. Denver Nuggets. Walter Davis. Wala bang Jordan dyan? Next card, Frank Brickowski, Spurs. And next card, Jay Humphries, Milwaukee Bucks. Next card, Adrian Dantley. Sunod, Kings. Anton Carr. Our last card is Miami Heat. Kevin Edwards. Okay. That's all 15 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ang ating hits ay sina Spadweb at si Tim Hardaway. Yan ang ating mga lolo. Okay lang kahit walang Jordan, walang Pippen, meron tayong Tim Hardaway at Spadweb. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.